Want to give BS.Player a fresh look with a BS1 skin file? These files transform your media player's appearance instantly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use BS.Player skin files to personalize your media playback experience. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor BS1 errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A BS1 file is a skin used to customize the graphical user interface of BS.Player, a popular multimedia player. Users download and apply these files to change the player's appearance, including its buttons, windows, and color schemes, thereby personalizing their media playback experience. The BS1 format is a compressed archive, typically zip, containing image assets, e.g. BMP, PNG, and a configuration file, e.g. ini.xml, that defines element placement and behavior. This modular design allows skin creators to easily package all visual components into a single distributable file. Windows registers the BS1 file as an opener for BS.Player developed by Webteh d.o.o. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows may open them in a text or config editor, but they should be modified only when you understand their effect. We're checking the software's ability to read the file header. Right-click the BS1 file and select Open with Test BS.Player first. If it's not present, choose a different application. The key is persistence. When a BS1 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the BS1 file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, installing the skin. Download BS.Player from bsplayer.com and locate the skins folder, typically in the BS.Player installation directory. Copy the BS1 file to the skins subfolder. Launch BS.Player, right-click the player and select Options. Then Skins to choose the new skin from the available list, applying the customization immediately. Next, switching between skins. Access skin selection through right-click menu. Options, then skins in the running BS.Player application. Browse installed skins in the dialog and select different BS1 files to change appearance. Combine skin changes with other interface customizations like button visibility and panel arrangements for personalized media playback experiences. Finally, creating custom skins. Use BS.Player's skin creation documentation, available from the developer website, to build custom BS1 skins. Design interface graphics in image editors like Photoshop or GIMP and configure layouts in XML following the skin specification. Package the resulting files into BS1 format for distribution to the BS.Player community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.